Good morning, children. Unit 5, exercise 5.3, question number 2. The center of the circle is minus 4, 2. If one end of the diameter of the circle is minus 3, 7, then find the other end. Okay. See the question again. The center of the circle. Center of the circle. So you have to draw the center of the circle. This is circle. The center of the circle. What is given? The center of the circle is means that is answer. This means that is answer. For center of the circle, this value is minus 4, 2. Okay. The center of the circle value is minus 4, 2 is given. And then, what is that another one given? If one end of the diameter. So, you have to draw the diameter of the circle. The longest chord is called diameter. The longest chord are called the diameter. Okay. Is this one end? Is this one end of the diameter? The circle is minus 3, 7. So, this diameter, one end, I will give the name A and this name is B. One end of the diameter is minus 3, 7. Okay. Then, what is that? To find the other end. So, we have to find the other end value. Okay, that is our aim. So, I will have to write the solution. Center of the circle. Center of the circle is minus 4, 2. And one end of the diameter. One end of the diameter is minus 3, 7. And to find, that is I will have to write the solution place. What is our aim? To find other end of the diameter. Other end of the diameter we know? We don't know. So, we have to give the coordinates value A, B. Whatever you have to give. The variables. Okay, A to Z. No problem. In this formula, in this sum, the formula has x1, y1. That's why I give the name A, B. Okay. Now, what is the coordinate of A? What is the coordinates A? Minus 3, 7. What is that another one? B coordinates A, B. Now we have to give the name, this x coordinate, this one is y coordinate. The first value is x coordinate. So x1. This is y1. B coordinates, the first value is x2. The second value is y2. Okay. Why we have to take this value, these coordinates A and B? Because we know the formula midpoint of line AB. Midpoint of line AB formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, we have to apply the coordinates A and B in this formula. So, apply the values. Midpoint of line AB is equal. AB is equal. Apply the values x1 plus x2. x1 value minus 3 plus x2. x2 value is A plus A by 2, comma y1. y1 value is 7. y1 value is 7 plus y2. y2 value is B plus B. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, this is midpoint of line AB. Okay, next we have to take, listen, you know that the given midpoint of line AB, given value, midpoint of the line. Midpoint of line is what is given? Minus 4, 2. Listen, children, if you can understand means this is very easy. Minus 4, 2 is replaced to the place of midpoint of line. Why? Because minus 4, 2 is the center of the circle. That is given the question. Okay. Minus 4, 2 is the center of the circle. The center of the circle is equal to midpoint of the line. Clear? So, I have replaced this place. I have to replace this place. Midpoint of line AB is equal to, what is the value? Minus 4, 2. Can we write there? Okay, I accept. Midpoint of line is center of the circle. Center of the circle is given minus 4, 2. So, we have to replace the value in this place. Okay. Now see that both side. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. Okay. This 4 is this 4 comma 2, this one is some point is given. Okay, comma is there, both side comma is there. So we have consider this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This also first value is x coordinate, second value is y coordinate. Okay, clear? So now we have to compare the x value to x value, y value to y value. Okay, shall we do it now? Can you understand? Okay. What is the x value? Minus 4. Minus 4 in the left hand side. Is this equal to minus 3 plus a divided by 2. Compare the value. Compare the coordinates. X coordinate to x coordinate, y coordinate to y coordinate. Okay, and then y value 2 is equal to y coordinate 7 plus b divided by 2. Okay, next what we done there? Compare x to x value. Compare x to x value. Okay, compare the x to x value and y to y value. Okay, so if you need means you have to write compare. Compare x and y. Okay, next solve the minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus a divided by 2. This divided value is going to multiple. This divided value is going to multiple. So, minus 3 plus a is equal 4 2s are 8 minus 8. Okay, next what we need? We have to find out other end of diameter. Other end of diameter we have to set the a comma b. So, we have to find out here a. So, we have to find out the value a. We have to need a. So, minus 8. This plus minus 3. This minus 3 is coming this side means plus 3. Okay. So, what is the value? Different sign, subtract. Minus 8 plus 3. Different sign, subtract. And put the greater sign. So, minus 5. So, a. The value a is equal to minus 5. That is x coordinate. This is x coordinate. Next, see that y coordinate. Y coordinate. So you have this 2 is going this side means multiple. So 7 plus b is equal 2 2s are 4. Okay. Next, what is our aim? We have to find out the variable b. B is equal 4. This plus 7 is coming this side means minus 7. Minus 7. Plus 7 coming this side means minus 7. Next, to see that two numbers plus 4 minus 7. Different sign, subtract. These formulas and all you keep in your mind. Okay. Different sign, subtract. Subtract this value and minus 3. So, coordinate B. Okay. B is the y coordinate. B is the y coordinate. So, what is our aim? We have to find the other end. What is our aim? To find other end of diameter. Other end of diameter B of A comma B. So, we had find the value A comma B. That is our aim. So, therefore, other end of diameter of circle. Diameter of circle is equal to, what is the value? A means x coordinate minus 5. Minus 5 comma minus 3 is y coordinate. Okay. So, other end of circle. Other end of a diameter of circle is equal minus 5 comma 3. Clear? Can you understand yours? Yes.